Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically get the Valorant avatar decoration by completing the quest. So go to user settings, scroll down and select gift inventory. And then I'm going to go to the wingman quest here. And then I'm going to accept quest. Make sure you're playing Valorant. So here, you're just going to open up Valorant. And once you're done, so it's only at around 4%. So once you're done, you're going to get this kind of like avatar. It's only available for like 2 months though, but it's cute like avatar decoration. So just keep playing the game until the 15 minutes is over. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.